Have you just updated to the macOS 27 Golden Gate, but now your MacBook's not turning on or just won't power back on? Whether it's shut down during the update, it's stuck on a black screen randomly, or just it won't restart at all, this video will walk you through all the fixes. Now, first things first, if your Mac's battery is completely drained, just plug it into a power. But first, you gotta remove any extra accessories or peripherals if those are inserted, and then plug it into a charger and just leave it charging for about 30 minutes. Now, if the battery was causing this problem, you're out of the woods. This might be all it takes. If it still doesn't turn on, leave it plugged in and try the power button. Just press and hold it for a while, like 10 to 12 seconds. If nothing happens, try pressing and releasing it for a few times. And then press and hold it again for about 30 seconds if it takes. Now, if it's not turning on by this process, try to take it into recovery mode. Keep holding down the power button until you see the loading startup options. If you can enter the recovery section like this, just click Options, then Continue. Click on your Apple account, and then just enter your Mac's password when asked. Now from this recovery menu, first you gotta select Disk Utility, select your Mac's internal drive, and then click First Aid, and then hit Run. Let it finish. If there is a problem with the drive, this can often find it and repair it. Now if everything looks fine but the issue is still there, go back to the recovery screen, and now you gotta choose Reinstall macOS. Please note that this process will delete everything from your device. We already got a full video on that, so you can follow it step by step from there. If none of this helped you, it's probably a hardware problem. And at this point, your best option is to contact Apple support or visit an Apple authorized service provider. Let us know in the comments which process helped you.